Sego sewa kweko jisto kuyuni yungets that no omani sorate da guanadu hase ne giko gardana ne jida a watchrodis. This is a nice song that you can use with just the little ones, the 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds, and toddlers. It's a very small, simple finger game song that you can use that was inspired by another Waldorf teacher, and I'll put the link below so that you can see, and the English version. Okay. Ji otsi'nahkwa to iwan jida a owira Enwatehyaróntye Yónhweson yónhwéson tonene akontítye neken Ji otsi'nahkwa to iwan jida a owira Enwatehyaróntye yónhwéson tone akontítye neken. Ayam shtize nues, ona se wakweko.